Did you know that 90% of dropshipping businesses actually fail in their first month? And here's the crazy part, most of these businesses fail for the exact same reasons. So in this video, I'm going to show you the real reasons why these dropshipping stores fail and how you can be part of the other 10% that don't. Hi guys, my name's Des from the Ecom Corner, and we also run a free school community called the Ecom Network. And in this video, I'm going to answer a question that's been asked a few times in my forum over the last few weeks. So let me just set the record straight here. Dropshipping is not a get rich quick type scheme. It's actually a legitimate business model that requires a lot of effort. In fact, it's a $301.11 billion industry in 2024, and it's grown to over $500 billion by 2027. Now, I had a client that basically started dropshipping and failed 3 times with 3 different stores until I showed them this actual trick. The very first thing you need to do is you need to start treating it like a real business. You need to create a proper business plan and also set your expectations. If you think you're going to become a multi-millionaire in the next few months, it's really not going to happen. You need to be realistic with this. And this might actually surprise you. The most successful dropshipping stores within our community test at least 20 products before they find that one winning product. And the number one killer is poor research and no planning. Most guys just jump in all feet first without actually recognizing what their business is about or even knowing who their customer is. Now here's something that the top performers do. I'm not expecting you to do this as a new dropshipper, but perhaps that you can start employing this technique later on down the line. They leverage PriceSync for competitive pricing intelligence. For about $129 a month, you can automatically track your competitor prices and inventory levels in real time. But the key here is actually setting up automated alerts for when your competitors actually change their pricing. So you can adjust your prices before losing any sales. And there's one store in our community that actually used their service and actually increased their sales by 23%. And they did this in just 2 months. And just shows you if you have the right tools and the right education, you can actually go quite far in this business. And this kind of competitive edge is the difference between why some people fail and the others succeed. It usually comes down to 3 different things. It's normally shipping times, the product quality, and the overall customer service that people receive. And here's what successful stores do differently. They set up really good relationship with their suppliers, and they also ensure that they've got more than one supplier per product. And the best way to actually think about it is, would you rather just make one sale and earn some decent money off that sale? Or would you want to make a little bit of money, but have the customer keep coming back each time to purchase from you? Which one's better? The one thing I will say is dropshipping isn't dying, it's just evolving. And like I said to you before, the market is projected to hit $500 billion by 2027. But only for those that adapt and do things right. So focus on building a real quality business and not just a quick cash grab. If you found value in this video, you probably want to join our free community called the Ecom Network. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. So if you're new to dropshipping and you really want to see how things work, you definitely want to watch my next video. In the next video, we show you how to actually choose suppliers and how to automate your first order. Click the video on the screen and we'll dive deeper into the dropshipping business model.